on this morning? Family Black Phoenix checking in. I'm outside the gas station, man, and I was checking my phone and listening to a couple voicemails, and I tried something out. And I'm gonna want to share this with you. Um, if you have an idea, I'm not gonna tell you just what my idea, what I tried, but I'm gonna tell you something you can do. You have an idea, selling something or a service you might have to offer. Craigslist, I'm about to say this, only charge you $5 to test your item. That's what I call it. Throw it out there in the waters. Throw it out there, add it up, put all your little wording and everything right, and present it. See who bite on it. You might have something and you might not. But for $5, it's worth to see if you got something. Now, I did an experiment. I didn't get, I don't know, 5 to 10 calls already and some people that wanted to schedule some stuff. So I would say this. You don't know what you can do until you try it. So get up, you can walk, it's in you.